3. I want to try one of these Skittles. Are you sure? Because I said no. And you asked your dad. Okay? Close your eyes. And I said close your eyes. And I said I don't want to. I don't want to. Well, you're going to. Now what color? Purple color. He thinks they're sour. They're not really sour. I'm just doing this because he thinks they're sour, but they're really not. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and hit that big bell. She thinks that was good. Hi, Smoke.